Dear viewers, Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. In the headlines today, employees of Centralized Maintenance Mechanical SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant awarded under the SAIL Shabash scheme. Swachhta Swabhiman Awards presented by SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant to community champions for clean and green Rourkela. And SAIL RSP sponsors 32 youngsters for livelihood enhancement training at NSIC. Now the news in details. 6 employees of Centralized Maintenance Mechanical consisting of 1 employee of CMM, 4 employees of FM and TM and 1 employee of Maintenance System and Services MSS of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant were awarded under the SAIL Shabash scheme for their enterprising endeavours at a function held at CGM Mechanical Office on 21st February 2025. Mr. R.N. Rajendran, CGM Mechanical and Shops, handed over the certificates and gifts to the employees present on the occasion where Mr. A. Malik, GM IC, FM and TM, Mr. B. Parida, AGM, MSS, Mr. S. P. Patel, GM, CMM and Mr. P. K. Parida, Deputy Manager, HR and other senior officers of the plant. Mr. Rajendran appreciated the innovative endeavours of the award winners and urged all to emulate the same. The recipients of the letter of appreciation were Mr. Niranjan Mahapatra, Master Technician CMM, Mr. Ajay Kumar Das, Master Technician FM NTM, Mr. Subhranshu Shekhar Das, Master Technician FM NTM, Mr. Ashok Mins, Senior Operator Automobile FM NTM, Mr. Bodhana Mins, Junior Controller FM NTM and Mr. Sanoj Kumar Raut, Senior Technician MSS. The efforts which brought the employees awards included modification of locking facility in agitator shaft of V101, successful elimination of unsafe road condition at Samskar Gate entry and exit passage, managing ambulance duty at both Central Pool and IGH Pool efficiently, operating senior officers' official vehicles safely, smoothly and sincerely and hoist, pulley modification and replacement of 20T escort, make hydraulic crane call number 822. Mr. S. Kumar, DGM Technical, CGM Mechanical, Secretariat coordinated the program. The Swachhta Swabhiman Award ceremony for the 4th quarter of the financial year 2024-25 was held at Civic Center on 19th February 2025. Mr. Sudeep Pal Chaudhary, ED Projects, was the chief guest of the function. Mr. P. K. Swine, CGM in charge TA and CSR and Mr. B. K. Jojo, CGM Town Engineering and Horticulture were the guests of honor. Present on the occasion were other senior officers of the plant. Speaking on the occasion, ED Project stated that cleanliness should not only be a habit but also a reflection of one's character. He urged participants to maintain cleanliness in the surroundings as well as in their thoughts and actions, reinforcing the deeper significance of the Swachhta movement. Mr. Swine assured of RSP consistent support towards Swachhta Swabhiman community engagement initiative. Mr. Jojo emphasized upon the need of encouraging more groups from all sectors to participate under this scheme. The joint winners of the 3rd quarter FY 2024-25 October-December 2024 were Ispat Central Market and Ispat Gajapati Market. Each team received a cash prize of Rs 30,000, a trophy and certificate. The first runner-up was the Abhiram Pali Basatti Group led by Mr. Nirmala Barik that won Rs 25,000, while the second runner-up was the Sector 15 Group led by Ms. Sunanda Nayak that received Rs 20,000. An individual award was also given to Mr. Vivekananda Subudhi for his commendable work in cleaning Baikut Ghat, Sector 20 with a prize money of Rs 5,000, a trophy and a certificate. Winning group captains and newly joined members also shared their experiences, expressing gratitude to RSP management for the continuous encouragement and support. A short film depicting the transformation of different areas added further inspiration to the event. At the outset, Dr. Deepa Lavangare, Deputy CMO, TE Public Health, welcomed the gathering while Mr. Rasananda Pradhan, Manager, TE Public Health, gave a brief about the Swachhta Swabhiman journey ever since its inception in June 2023. Mr. Anil Malik, MOMT, SSM, coordinated the event. Notably, the Swachhta Swabhiman Award has been instituted by RSP to motivate residents of Rourkela Steel Township to participate in the cleanliness drive by adopting a particular area of the sectors, preferably their own sector, including market areas, slums, open spaces, lanes and quarters. At present, there are 30 groups with 1,000 members who are regularly carrying out cleanliness activities under this scheme. In line with the Skill India mission of the Government of India, SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant RSP, under its CSR-driven Livelihood Enhancement Skill Program, has sponsored 32 youngsters from its CSR Impact Zone for vocational training at the Livelihood Business Incubation Center, Rourkela. In the certificate distribution function held at NSIC Sector 15 on 21st February, Mr. P.K. Swine, CGM in charge TA and CSR, handed over the certificates to the trainees who have successfully completed their training program. Present on the occasion were Ms. Munmun Mitra, GM in charge CSR, Mr. T.B. Topo, AGM CSR, Mr. D.P. Nayak, Chief Manager, Tech, NSIC. As part of the training initiative, 16 women candidates attended the one-month beautician course where they were taught about the skincare, hair care, nail care, makeup, waxing and threading, along with insights into wellness, sanitation and hygiene and human anatomy. Additionally, 16 youths underwent a one-month computer training course to enhance digital literacy and technological proficiency. The curriculum included computer fundamentals, hardware components, operating systems, Microsoft Office, internet usage, email management, basic computer applications and digital literacy. This training, in alignment with the Digital India initiative, will ensure young individuals to confidently navigate the digital world and improve their job prospects. Rashmita Tete of Chikatmati, a trainee of the beautician course, expressed her heartfelt gratitude to NSIC and the RSP CSR department for equipping her with the skills to earn a living and support her family. She shared, "I dream of opening my own parlor one day and training other women like me." Similarly, Deepika Tete of Kwarmunda, a beneficiary of the computer training course, highlighted the impact of the program on her journey towards self-employment. She stated, "My aspiration for self-employment has been fulfilled with the one-month-long training. Now, I can open a computer kiosk in my village to provide services to the community." Echoing similar sentiments, Sumit Nag, a youth from Jamsera and a trainee of the computer course, shared his excitement about future prospects. "I want to use these skills to set up my own photo studio in my village and offer services in photo and video editing," he said. Notably, the NSIC Center is equipped with a wide range of training units like bakery, welding, woodworking, electrician, computer hardware and networking, etc. The center, established in 2020 to 21 with CSR support from SAIL RSP, is operational under the National Small Industries Corporation Limited, a Government of India enterprise, and a mini Ratna government agency established by the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Government of India, 1955. That's all for today's news. Namaskar.